Welcome, my beautiful people, to the Dawn Kitchen. Guess what, guys? This morning, I'm going to look about salt fish. So, guys, let's dive into it. Here, I have some bell pepper, 1 onion, 1 tomato, 3 cloves of garlic, and these garlics very small. You see, small. 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. You can use more if you want. 1/3 cup of cooking oil, and I'm using the olive oil. Scotch bonnet pepper, but I'm using this little piece here. It is really hot. And this is my salt fish. It's 1 pound of salt fish, and I have it soaking like 2 hours now. What I'm doing now, I will be placing the salt fish in the boiling water on the stove. The water is already boiling, and I'm going to boil this for 10 minutes. Okay, my beautiful people, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So when D Dawn is doing a video, you will be the first one to be notified. This is a garlic. I just open like this in two. You can add like all-purpose if you want, but I'm just using my natural herb this morning. I'm not using no powder seasoning. You're not using the seed of this. I'm sure you get the seed out. This is my liquid pepper. I don't need any more than that because it is really hot. So, my beautiful people, it's now 7 minutes, 10 minutes. So, I'm just gonna pour the water from the saltfish, and I'm gonna place it back on the fire to boil for 5 more minutes. Remember, it's saltfish, so you want to remove as much salt as possible. Now, the saltfish is boiled, so you want to pour this water off. Let me get some cold water running. Don't forget the hot water in the sink. I'm just gonna get some cold water on this now and let it sit there and cool down for like 2 minutes. Guys, it's now 2 minutes. The saltfish cool down, and you just want to ensure you remove all the scale from it. and you turn it over. The inside already clean. You just wanna remove any bone you see sticking out. These black thing right there. Okay. Then you're gonna catch some cold water, and you're just gonna break up the saltfish in the cold water so it can absorb out some more of the salt. And you're gonna let it remember this. I remember when I was growing up, my mom always give us this. I used to love it when I break it and think I love this thing inside. The little white. Yeah, I used to love this thing, man. She used to give us the saltfish bone. So you just wanna just break up the saltfish a little in some cold water and let it sit there for the next minute. You just want to remove most of the salt from it. So when you get this scale and all this stuff, you see, you clean up the saltfish like this. Right, so all this is garbage. So the saltfish gonna sit there in the cold water for 1 minute, and then we move on to the next step. So 1 minute more, and I'm gonna rinse again. Let's pour this water off. And now I'm rinsing again with some cold water. Remember, guys, the saltfish is salt. It is salted, right? Really salted. So you have to get the salt out, or else you cannot eat it. You got to show it out. And let me taste a piece of this now. You can always taste the saltfish. Okay. This is okay. Let me get some more water. Let it sit in some water. And then we're going over to this. So, hey, my beautiful people, you want to put the skillet on the fire to hot. And this is hot, so now I'm just going to pour in the oil. Put in the garlic. The garlic easily burns, so definitely the onion. And put in the onion. I'm letting this saute for just 1 minute. I'm gonna pour in my colorful bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, And giving this 2 minutes. 2 minutes now. I'm gonna pour this saltfish in. You don't want to put the ketchup in, the tomato ketchup in right away. I'm giving this 2 minutes. Guys, you can add some butter to it. I'm gonna add a little butter to it. Just like 1 ounce of butter. I'm gonna cover it and give it 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes now, so I'm gonna put in the tomato ketchup. And just give it 1 more minute. Hey guys, ain't it looking delicious? Look at all these pretty colors, red, green, and gold. Saltfish. So the saltfish, just 1 minute, then I turn the stove off. It's ready. So, hey, my beautiful people, this is a salt fish. It's ready and ready to eat. So you can have your saltfish with roast breadfruit, fried breadfruit, fried Johnny cake, some boiled green bananas, whatever you want to have it with. Is it looking tasteful, my beautiful people? I think you should give it a try. So give it a try, and please remember to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you all for watching The Dawn Kitchen.